Yo my peeps, today on the channel I got an absolute treat for you guys. As you can see behind me, we got this mad BMW M4 G83 in the drop top, purpled off, carboned off. Everything's on smoke in this car, yeah, from the engine to the car interior to the exterior, even to the fuel that's in this car. So today I'm going to bring in the owner of this absolutely savage BMW M4 G83. Trust me, you don't want to miss this episode, guys. Lock in, make sure you're subscribed. You know the vibes. We're going to absolutely send this car today. So then, Reese, welcome to the channel. Do you want to tell us about this crazy, mad BMW M4 G83?
Yeah, it's a bit nuts. Obviously, I haven't done anything to it. All I've done is put ethanol in it. Obviously, my brother was the one who got it built. Built by Velocity Tuning, I believe. It's had downpipes, mid-pipe, and then obviously the tune on it. It's got a couple of carbon bits under the bonnet. I believe it runs 720 on the map, but then with ethanol race, it was 880, I believe, on the full tune. So yeah, and then obviously he's done all the carbon bits on it, carbon wheel and stuff like that. So yeah, it looks goes like nothing out of, you know what I mean? It's all there, singing and dancing. Yeah, crazy. So crazy. Yeah, it's probably the fastest car I've ever been in or driven. So yeah, so 880 brake horsepower on the race fuel, yeah? And we're running race fuel today, right? Yeah. So man's gonna absolutely send this one for the culture, for you guys watching. And do you know what, yeah, like as I was saying to you off camera, not many people are tuning the M4 G83, well, M4s in general. Most people are going for the M3 G80s and then the G81 Tourings. Yeah. So obviously you said it was your brother's car before. Yeah. Did he put the tuning on there, or was it something someone done before? No, it was completely stock when he bought it. He done all the tuning, done all the carbon. So yeah, he got everything done on the car. And then I bought it as it is, pretty much. I haven't done nothing, but I don't think you need to be fair. Yeah,
no, you're definitely right about that. And to be fair, right, listen, these new gen BMWs, yeah, trust me, these cars here are something else. Now that they've got turbos and like, is this an X-Drive?
Yeah, X-Drive, yeah, four-wheel drive. So yeah, it puts the power down very well.
Yeah, so that's what I mean. With these X-Drive cars now, like before you would have like an M3 E92 and you'd be getting like, you know what I mean, gaps by an Audi 2-litre S3, if that makes sense. Yeah. So to now have the X-Drive, it's like, and the turbos, it's like, it's game over for most vehicles, if I'm honest with you. But yeah, like I said, man, look, we're gonna have a little spin round on this car, because trust me, yeah, you need to take this in. Big up Reese as well for coming out today and bringing me this car. If you just look at the profile, like it's got the mad, yeah, everything's just carboned off, as he said. You got the mad 2 intakes there as well. So it's a pretty car. And like I said, I think even in the drop top as well, it's even more like, you know, it gives you that extra feature when you're driving in. We don't get much sun in the UK, but today the sun's turned up for us, so shout out to the sun. But yeah, obviously you've got the drop top, 4 pipes, carbon kit all around. This is just fresh. Like proper fresh, man. There's not even nothing more to do to this car other than just drive it and enjoy it, innit?
Yeah, that's it. You ain't got to do no more to it.
Yeah, sweet, man. So like I said, man, I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Proof's in the pudding, as they say. So yeah, we're just gonna take this bad boy out for a smoke and burn some rubber, I guess. So we're just out now in 800 and...
Yeah, so it's 880 at the moment
with the race fuel.
With the ethanol, like give or take.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
Because the ethanol, it has to be to a proper certain mixture for it to be 880. I can check the mixture, it's a little bit down on mixture at the moment, but we're still probably going to be in the 800s. Yeah. So, yeah.
So since you've got, obviously, the fuel miles, is that actually genuine?
Yeah. Oh, that'll be fine.
Okay, so it won't matter. No. Just because these are big hitters, bro.
Yeah, no, it lasts a little bit. It'll last a journey.
Yeah. No, this is a machine, man. You know what I mean? Like when you get in a car like this, number one, it's luxury, and then number two, it does the business. Like you guys at home, we're in comfort right now, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
And I'm telling you now, it just feels like any normal car, right? And then when you turn it on, faster than Hurricanes.
Yeah. Well, I raced a Hurricane the other day, and he couldn't keep up with it at all. We'd done a rolling start, a standstill start, and even when he was in launch control, he still couldn't beat this off the line. This hasn't got launch control, so it's a little bit laggy off the start, so to speak. But as soon as you plant the power, once it catches a bit of grip, it is like comfort. It's quiet. You don't really hear it coming. Just looks the part. But then as soon as you hit the double M button,
it's gone. It's moving, isn't it?
It hits into that race mode.
It's moving,
and you take off pretty much.
There you go. So you can already hear the Asbos come out to play now. Sounds nice. Turbos as well. Twin turbos these are, innit? So have you got a hybrid, or is it just a stock turbo?
Stock turbos.
These cars can be pushed so much though, innit?
Yeah. So when my brother owned it, he knew a couple of people, like, but they didn't have the soft tops, they had the hard tops, and someone was on hybrids at 1100 stock internals of the engine. You ain't even got to touch the engine until you're about 1400. Give or take, you know, depending on how many miles the car's done, if it's good or not, you know. This is only done 20,000 miles.
So is that nothing?
So it's still practically a new engine, new car, you know.
Yeah, it's mad what these platforms can do nowadays, man. Do you know what I mean? Like you're talking your 880 brake horsepower. That's wild, isn't it? Right? But there's still another. Wow, people in America are doing like 1600 horsepower in these. Do you know what I mean? And they measure wheel horsepower. They don't even measure brake horsepower. No. You know what I'm saying?
16 to the wheels is probably 18 to the crank.
That's right.
You know?
So these are proven, man. Doing 7 seconds actually. Do you know what I mean? Tom Wrigley in the UK is doing 7 9 pods.
That's it.
These are another level, man. Very nice inside though, man, I must say.
Comfy seats, everything. You've got the luxury, but then you've also got the power and speed as well, you know. Going very quick.
Broski, this is a machine. Trust me, this is a machine, bruv. This is a machine. That one pull there. What the hell?
The noise of it is just...
It's just sensational, bruv. I can see why everybody's going nuts for these cars. I can see why. Like I've been in a G80, but I went in a rear wheel drive 500, but I think it was stock. It just had an exhaust, and that was fast. But make no mistake, 500, there's a big jump between your car and that car.
Definitely.
A whole 400 brake, basically. Do you know what I mean?
So this has got a few map settings. I can have it at 560, 620, or 720. It goes to 720, but then when you put the ethanol in, it measures the ethanol, and that's when you run the power. And I drove it the other day on the 500 map, and it was nothing compared to what it is. The bigger map. Like,
this is mad. So sometimes you can just turn the car down and just chill, innit? But you don't need to. You don't need comfort to do that anyway.
Nah,
But at the same time, it's nice to just.
When it's in comfort, you can chill and cruise. Like, you ain't got a problem. Like, it's not loud. It's just as soon as you hit the double M button, it transforms the car. You know. So this was deemed the fastest G83 in the UK. No one's tuning the soft tops, they're all tuning the hard tops, which are like the G82s and stuff like that. So
this is one of the fastest, if not the fastest.
If not the fastest in the UK. So,
this is a heavy hitter then, isn't it? a natural aspirated car.
Yeah.
But somehow they've made the turbo like disguised.
Yeah.
That's the only way of like putting it, innit?
Yeah, it's very smart technology when you actually.
Man.
They've got like this little tiny one which build up to this big one.
Yeah.
To make it go like this.
Bro,
Yeah,
that was
fun.
mental, man. The stock car was enough.
Yeah.
But trust me, this is a machine, bro. I can't believe what that. I can because I know cars and that, but just every time I get in a big 800 brake horsepower car, it just reminds me of like what cars can really do.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a 0 to 60. Whenever you're ready, bro, obviously.
Ready?
Just plant it, bro, and we're gone. 2.9 seconds, bro. 2.9 seconds, bro. Bro, in a car that weighs how much?
Probably 15, 16, because it's convertible, they're heavier, aren't they? So
2.9 seconds, bruv. That is dumb, bruv. That's dumb, bruv.
she's quick.
And the thing is about it, yeah, like we're two-man deep, you're probably just launching it, like you're not bro, that's dumb. That's dumb. So yeah, man, 2.9 in the G83. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, big up to my man Reese anyway, yeah. Yeah, letting me get a quick hit on this. Over, yeah.
That's it.
So we're good to go. Good to go, yeah. Pressing the brakes.
That's it.
And we're in M mode, yeah?
Nah, you're in comfort. Go right
yeah.
that way, back up. Do a pull just over the bridge. The bridge got a few little bumps.
That's in comfort, yeah?
Yeah.
That's stupid. That's stupid already, bro.
If you want to go fully manual sort of thing, you just click that over once more.
Yeah,
and that's full manual now.
That's stupid. That shouldn't be deep.
Got a little bump just
here. Yeah. That shouldn't be comfort.
Yeah.
When I say that, obviously it should be, but I'm saying because you can't hear nothing now, but
yeah.
It moves like a race car, bro, in comfort.
Yeah, she's quick.
What the hell, man?
Double tap M2, you'll feel it has got a lot of traction.
Oh my god.
And then yeah, you're doing all the gears, so you plant it and you're on. They're different kind of breed, aren't they?
These are so sick. It just flows you, innit? Yeah. Beamers, yeah. And I don't mean to disrespect any other car brands, yeah. But BMWs are taking over the game with these turbos. Yeah. Because even in my M2, you get G-force. Yeah. Now in an Audi, you don't get G-force. No. Yes, they're quick. In some cases, quicker. You know what I mean? It depends where your car's tuned. But what I'm saying is, you don't get G-force. You get, wow, we're doing 150, or wow, it does 0 to 60 in 2 seconds, or quarter mile in 9, 10, whatever the say. You don't get G-force. Nah. You don't get G-force. Like this just gives you like.
It's just easy, With the four-wheel drive, it helps it a lot. Yeah. Oh, bendy now.
Can I turn in and turn back around?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll just U in and come back out. as I said, yeah, like I said, I don't even need to drive miles and miles in this car. At the end of the day, I've just come out to do a nice little video, get a little press in the 880 brake on race fuel, and I have to say, bro, it gets the approval tenfold. Come to the end of the video, yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the notification so anytime I drop a video you get the first updates, yeah. But like I said, big up my man Reese. Where's your socials, bro? Where can people find you?
Find me on Insta at thatpurple.83.
Yeah,
so I'm on there, hit me up.
Yeah,
we're on there.
Yeah,
I post about it all the time, so
yeah,
you know how to find me.
Yeah, nice one, my boy. Nice one, man.